Hello, welcome back. Today we will learn the new homeopathic medicine is Natrum Muriaticum. Okay. So introduction. The Natrum Muriaticum common name is common salt means sodium chloride. Chemical formula NaCl. So the Natrum Mur is one of the Hahnemann's top constitutional deep acting remedies. It should never be prescribed casually. It's a very deep and long acting medicine. Now let's see the clinical use. It is a useful for in anemia, debility and weakness, headache, menstrual disorder, skin troubles and the words. Now let's see the sphere of action. It's mainly act on skin, GIT, bloods and lymphatic system, minds, liver and spleen. The Natrum Mur penetrates every tissue of the body and they stimulate the function of those tissue. Now let's see the constitution. The appearance of the patients look thin, emaciated, weak, despite and the eating well. The neck appearance thin as if flesh in loss from that area. The patient often say, the doctor, I eat well but still lose weight. The face looks oily, shiny and the waxy. Now let's see the temperaments and miasm. The temperaments is nervous and emotional. Thermally, this is a hot patient. Miasm, basically they're having the three combination of all three miasm, sora, psychosis and the syphilis. And the diastasis is scrofulous diastasis. Now let's see the guiding symptoms. The great emaciation, loss of flesh while eating well. This symptom is often seen in the thyroid disorder, especially in hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism and the type 1 diabetes mellitus. The most symptoms are the worst from the sunrise to sunset, especially between the 10 to 11 am. The complaints are relieved by perspiration. Now let's see the tongue. The map tongue look as if map or the island drawn on it red or raw patchy like ringworm. The intense craving for the salt, bitter things, fish, milk, and the aversion basically from bread, coffee, and the tobacco. Trick to remember, uh, basically the Natrum Mur. It's salt found near the sea. So imagine the people living near the seashore, like in Goa, and they like fish, milk, and the salt. But due to the salty water, they have also experienced hair fall. So, and that exactly the symptoms of Natrum Mur. So hair fall out on touch, especially in nursing women. Now let's see the mind. So extremely irritable and the emotional. Cry easily for even the smallest reason, like me. Weeping alternate with laughing, laughs uncontrollably at the unsuitable times. Consolation aggravates the condition when comfortable, feels worse. The elements from the after anger, grief, and the vexation, from excessive use of the salt on bread, from loss of vital fluids. Now let's see the headache. Headache is causes of the exposure to the sun, eye strain, excess intake of salt, loss of the vital fluids. Location, they are the mostly in left-sided remedy. So character, the sensation as if the thousands of little hammers hear the knocking inside the brain, the bursting and the chronic headache. And the now let's see the concomitants: anemia, pale face, map tongue, and the craving for the salt. Now let's see the menses and the female symptom. The menstruation are delay or the irregular, can be too early or the too late, scanty or profuse, bearing down pain, worse in a morning, headache after menses, causation loss of vital fluids, anemia, like etc. Skin symptoms, especially in on hair margins, scalp, and the behind the ears. The affected are look raw, red, inflamed, and the ulcerated. Now let's see the last part of Natrum Mur is modalities. The aggravation from to touch and the night, and the emulsion in open air or the cold bathing. Thank you for watching.